Subscribe
Halo, assalamualaikum, Om Tante Brosis. Apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga kabar kalian semua sehat dan bahagia. Nah, kali ini Ulun MuRezTa Fish Channel akan membeli beberapa ekor jenis ikan Cichlid sejuta umat, yaitu ikan Oscar Tiger yang hitam ataupun Oscar Tiger yang albino, serta Ulun juga membeli 2 ekor Golsom atau green terror. Oke Om Tante Brosis, ikutin terus video Ulun kali ini. Namun sebelumnya, langkah baiknya pian klik tombol subscribe, like, comment, and share. Selamat menonton. Assalamualaikum.
I give in to the lesser fight. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. My body aches to be satisfied. My weakness comes and goes. My weakness comes and goes. I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please fortify this strength of mine. My weakness comes and goes. And go. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes. My weakness echoes in my soul. Oh, it echoes in my soul. My weakness comes and goes, it goes, it goes.
Oke Om Tante Brosis, sampai di sini dulu video Ulun kali ini. Semoga video Ulun kali ini bisa bermanfaat. Adapun kesalahan informasi yang disampaikan bisa Pian tulis di kolom komentar. Sampai ketemu di video Ulun berikutnya. Ulun undur pamit. Assalamualaikum.